Welcome back to Travels with JoJo, the channel where I bring the world of travel and adventures to you. I'm so excited you're here, because I've got another amazing travel experience to share. Today we're exploring the Lincoln Plaza London, part of Hilton's Curio Collection, a stylish city escape right in the heart of Canary Wharf. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps the channel grow and makes it possible for me to keep creating more travel content for you. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next adventure.